Welcome to the 51st Annual Father's Day Car Show in Oakbrook, Illinois, sponsored by the Classic Car Club of America. Hope you enjoy all these beautiful cars here.
Thank you for watching U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video. Like us, share, subscribe to us on Facebook and social media.
So we're here at the 51st Annual Father's Day Car Show, hosted by the Classic Car Club of America. And today we have with us, please give me your names.
Nancy.
And Nancy
Strong
and
Alan Strong.
And tell us what you brought today and tell us a little background on it.
Sure. What we brought today is a 1936 Packard Super 8 Rollston Custom Stationary Victoria. This car was custom built for a New Jersey industrialist, ordered in December of 1935, and he had a chassis shipped from Packard, Detroit, to the Rollston Coachworks Company in New York City. Back in that era, if you wanted a bespoke automobile, you could have that. You could do that. Have a chassis shipped to your coach builder, sit down with the designer, and have them design a body especially for you. And that's what this is. It's a stationary Victoria, the only one ever built.
Wow. Okay. So you know a lot about it. Tell me a little bit about your association with this show in particular.
Well, we've actually never shown here before. We've been members of the Illinois Region Classic Car Club of America,
right.
But because we're in the restaurant business, Father's Day is always a real busy day, and we've never taken the time to come. This year we decided to just start doing things we've never done, so we're here and enjoying it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Were there any other side stories? What was he talking about? Wheel wells
Well,
or something?
I bought this car in 1994, and it took a long time to restore it. It was in pretty bad shape, and we started on it about 7 years ago and just finished it last year. It was a frame-off restoration, and there are many, many facets of that restoration that are probably too detailed to get into now, but a lot of interesting historical facts that come along with the car.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool. So fun. And then your outfit is divine.
Thank you. Oh, you know what? One thing I should mention, that these are the original colors to the car.
Oh, okay.
Absolute original colors that the car was painted. And we have photos of the car in 1946 in original condition.
Oh my goodness, yeah. And so it was the inspiration for your wife's lovely outfit.
Absolutely.
The era-inspired ensemble.
Yeah.
With a recent edition of the hat, which I love.
Thank you. And a 100-year-old purse.
Oh my goodness.
But it would be what you would call a former day Gucci bag.
Oh, fun. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the coordination. It's so fun. And it's actually good temperature today for that.
It is,
yeah,
yes.
It could be really hot today.
Because otherwise I'd be a fashion victim, suffering for fashion.
Right. You could have a parasol. You could have it up for shade.
Oh, yes. It does help when it's sunny.
Okay, so any other thoughts? Who should I talk to next? With the car, too. Out of the way.
You look like Vanna White. I think you look like Vanna White.
So cute. So cute. All right, so we're going to do a tour of the interior.
Okay, so when we restored this car, we were very careful to restore it exactly as it was delivered to the customer in 1936. So we took swatches of the original leather. It took a long time to find the original paint scheme.
Oh my goodness.
But everything you see today is exactly as it would have looked in 1936.
Wow.
So the interior is when you notice the front, what we call suicide doors. The doors will hinge at the rear so they open out. Makes it very easy to get in and out of the car because you just slide in, push the button on the side of your feet in. So when you want to access the rear seat, you simply pull that forward. If you need to, the whole seat mechanism will ride up too. Wow. So it's very, very comfortable. Full leather interior, and you notice the beautiful wood grain dash and steering wheel. The engine has been completely restored as well. It's Packard's legendary 385 cubic inch straight 8. And one of the interesting features of the car is that it was delivered with a polished crankcase, which is very unusual.
Right. How's the car to drive?
Great, very smooth. You can balance a nickel on the head when it's running and it won't fall over.
We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.